Well, here's my waterfall and pond. Some of my flowers, we've just got so much rain lately that some of them have drowned. So they're kind of dying, but it still looks pretty. It sounds beautiful. You can see our homemade biofilter right there. Made out of sponges that you use for like dishes and some bio balls. Seem to keep it pretty clear. I just wanted to share this with y'all. Also, that is a 5,100 gallon per hour pump. Bought it for about $100. We did have a 1,200 gallon per hour pump, and it just barely did anything. So we figured we'd upgrade, and it's just beautiful. We love it. It sounds amazing, like I said before. Very peaceful. We don't have any koi in there yet. We've got a few bluegill.